You need a good protein drink after your workout. Let me show you how to make one up really quick with just a few simple ingredients. Yep, I'm Kietha T. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. So I'm gonna start off with my core power 26 gram chocolate protein. I've got some Chobani yogurt. I like to use the vanilla. This is the vanilla Greek yogurt, okay? You're gonna need some peanut butter, and yes, I'm using Skippy. That is my preference. You use your peanut butter. We got some Hershey cocoa and some honey. Now let me show you how I do this. Now I prepare this so that I can whip it up in my Ninja Creamy. So I have my container here. The first thing I'm gonna do is pour in some of my protein liquid. We're gonna add a little bit of the yogurt right to that. About that much, y'all see it. I'm going with just a pinch of the honey. Just a pinch, not too much. Give it a stir. Stir it real good, y'all. I just like to get that yogurt blended up in there. Add some peanut butter. Not very much. We're gonna follow that up with a little bit of my Hershey cocoa, y'all. This is not sweetened. Mix it up. Now, the next thing I'm going to add to the mixture are some frozen bananas. I usually put about 3 pieces in here. Woo. Okay, we got 3 bananas in there. I hope you all can see that. And then I'm just going to add the remaining liquids. Okay, and just like that, that is my protein, my chocolate protein mix. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on it. Now I have to put this in the freezer for about an hour. And then when I'm finished with my workout, guys, I just grab this, put it in my Ninja Creamy, blend it, and I've got myself a good milkshake. Make you one. If you try it, come back and let me know what you thought. I may or may not come back and let you all see what it looks like. But anyway, I showed you what to do. Easy, quick, simple. Make you one, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Share, comment, like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. Thank you for the applause. I'm back. I'm going to show you all what it looks like. Keep watching. Hey, guys. So now you got that workout done. You go back to the freezer and you take it out, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it, and I'm gonna let you all see what the milkshake looks like. So we're just gonna take the container and put it into our Ninja Little pitcher here. Put our top on. It's about to get noisy. Power on, and I blend on the milkshake. Milkshake. Okay, I'll be back to let you see what it's looking like. Alright, so now we are done. Let me show you all what I get. You just simply take that out. Real easy, guys, real easy. Y'all see that thickness? That is my protein chocolate milkshake. Your girl like to add a little cinnamon right on top. Give it a quick little stir to blend it all in. Y'all, this is gonna be so good. Y'all see? Put my top on. And just like that, we have a beautiful chocolate protein shake. I call it a milkshake because it's so nice and thick. If you decide to make one, come back and let me know what your thoughts were. So again, Kietha T, hit the subscribe button, y'all. Go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That way you get notified when I come back with another video. I'll see y'all in the next one, and be blessed.